Welcome back to Try It Tuesday Nail Crew. Today I have this crazy contraption. I have been dying to try it, and today we're going to try it together, so keep watching. All right, nail crew, so here's my little package. Let me just dive into this package, guys, because I saw this little bottle on Instagram and I was like, what? It was so simple, like so simple. It's like, duh, Nikki, why didn't you think of this? Why? Lord, why? So the company is called Pottle, and I guess that stands for polish in a bottle. Pretty clever there. A little thank you note. You're welcome, doll face. You're welcome. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. All right, so she wrapped it in some bubble wrap, and I'm saving the bubble wrap. You already know. I'm putting that to the side. When I have a giveaway, you might just see this bubble wrap show up at your door. All right, so here it is. It is called the Pottle. Now it's a little, the box is a little bent, but that's my fault because I put something on top of it by accident. So don't let that reflect on the package or anything like that. That was totally my fault. But look here on the side, it's like a little pictogram, and it's telling you how and what, and just giving you like instructions on how to play with this. So I can't wait to open it, but I want to show you guys on the side. It tells you what you can do. You could do liquid latex. I never even thought about doing a liquid latex mix in here. You could do gel polishes. You could do glitter gels. You could just whatever you want, really. Whatever you want. And then so there is her contact information right there on the bottom. Let's just open the box and play. Let's just play. It's playtime. Every Tuesday for me is playtime. Now look at this little glass mixer stirrer thing. This is glass, guys. Okay, for the quality, honey. Come through with the quality. Okay, now here is the Pottle. Here is the Pottle. I've been waiting to like put my hands on this. I got one. Don't be jealous, y'all. Don't be jealous. I'll put the link in below and you guys can click on it and get your own. So this is what it looks like. A regular like polish brush. You know, polish once you're done fixing and getting everything right on the inside. So that's that. Let's open up how we're gonna look. Okay, so the mouth is large enough so that when you're mixing, you don't need like a funnel or anything like that. Oh my gosh, she is brilliant. All right, so I have a little Ziploc bag in case I make a mess because we all know glitter is messy. I'm removing the shaker beads and I'm going to put them, where am I going to put them? I'll put them in this little lid right here just to keep them out the way so I don't lose them. And this is just a cover to my monomer bottle, so just put that to the side. And like I said, I'm working on a Ziploc bag because I don't want to mess up my table. The gel that I'm using today is this IBD gel, just because I really don't use it otherwise. But literally you could use any gel. So if you have this Yogi Builder gel, that would be fine as well. I also have this Ocala gel right here, and that one is just as fine as well. So don't go out and buy anything new. Whatever you have, guys, literally you could just make it work. Now for the glitter, I am using this Nail Candy Shop glitter. I have never tried anything from this company before. This was sent to me from Girly Nails 66. I'll leave her link below as well. You might want to check out her page. She sent me this glitter because I named her practice hand. Hi, Willow. Everyone say hi, Willow. That's the name of her practice hand, guys. And so I named her hand, and she sent me a bunch of glitters and stuff like that. So thank you so much, honey. I'm going to use that today in this mixture. So what I'm doing is I have the Pottle open, and I'm using this little glass mixing thingy majiggy, and I'm just scooping all the gel into the Pottle. And then, of course, I'm going to go in with the beautiful glitter, guys. Oh, my God, this stuff is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Thank you so much. Now I really didn't mean to pour half the bag. Oh my gosh, did you see? I hardly have any glitter left. I really did not mean to pour that much in here, but we're gonna make it work. Oh, I hope I didn't mess anything up, guys. I wasn't really paying attention. And half the bag went inside. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful though. It is absolutely gorgeous. But because I put too much glitter in it, it made the mixture too thick. So I'm just going to thin that out with some of this Yoyogi top coat. So basically, I'm just going to pour in some top coat and just thin out the mixture a little bit. Why am I using the Yoyogi top coat? Because I have 2 of them. So that's the only reason. Use whatever top coat you have, guys. Like, literally don't spend any extra money. Whatever you have, you can make it work. And that seemed to do the trick. That seemed to thin it back down to a workable consistency, because that glitter made it way, way, way too thick. So far, so good, guys. Let me know what you think about it so far. I'm liking it. I'm having fun. All right, now before I put the lid on the Pottle, I'm just going to take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and remove all the gel and all the residue and the glitter off of the glass stick, because that little mixing tool is going to be my best friend. Got to keep that thing nice and clean. And I'm going to do the same thing around the rim and the edges of the Pottle. I don't want to put the lid on it and then get it all gunky and goopy and things like that. So I do the same thing with my gel pots. Anytime I have a gel pot or hard gel or anything like that, I like to clean the edges before I close it. Now, I almost forgot my little mixing beads. I almost forgot to put them in, but I got it. I heard one of y'all yell. One of y'all was like, don't forget the beads. And I was like, I got ya. And so I put them in. Go ahead and give it a nice shake. And now it's time to try it, because it is Try It Tuesday, guys. All right, so we made a nice, beautiful mixture. I say we put it to the test. That's what I say. Now, I don't think I have ever done builder in a bottle inside a dual form. This is going to be my first time. So if it looks like crap, don't take it out on the Pottle. Okay, don't take it out on the Pottle. It ain't the Pottle, it's me. All right, because it's my first time. But I'm excited, and I think it's gonna be beautiful. I think it's really, really gonna be beautiful. Let's just dive in. If you guys are doing this with me, guys, you're gonna do great too. I'm gonna do great, and you're gonna do great, and we're gonna do great together. So send me pictures on Instagram. So what I did was I just filled up the dual form, just like if I was doing with polygel. That's literally all I did. So, I mean, how easy is that? Oh my God, that was so easy. So, all right, that was like elementary level easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of them off camera, because I mean, you got the hang of that, right? So then once I fill them all up with the gel, I put it in the lamp and I let them cure for 60 seconds. And I just want to see if that is dry enough. So I'm just tapping to see if I hear like that little click sound, and they're all dry. Now, let me just point this out to you guys. If you put too much glitter, you're going to have them cure longer, because the light can't penetrate through the glitter, especially if the pieces of glitter are too chunky. All right, so we're halfway done. The nails are built. We're gonna put those to the side, and we are going to prep like we normally do. Remove the shine from the natural nail plate, right? And then we're gonna go in with our Prep and Clean dehydrator, and we are going to apply 2 thin layers to all the nails. Remember, if you don't have one, you can make one. You do not have to purchase it. And then we're gonna go in with 2 thin layers of the primer. I'm using Mia's Secret primer, but again, you know, you could use whatever primer you have, right? And since we are using gels today, you want to go in with a base coat. I'm using Yoyogi base coat today. Whatever base coat you have will work just fine. So don't feel the need to buy it. I feel like I have to say that, because every time I post a video, all of you say, oh my God, I have to go buy that right now. And guys, if you have a base coat, just use what you have, please. I feel so bad sometimes. All right, once the base coat is applied, go ahead and let that cure for 60 seconds. And now it's time to stick our enhancement on. So we have the nail is built, right? We have to get it onto the nail plate. So how are we gonna do that? You're gonna take more of that builder gel, more of the gel from the Pottle, and you're just going to apply it at the base of the dual form. Just like that, just enough to cover the nail plate. That's all you need. If you apply too much, it's going to seep around the edges and it's going to get in the cuticle area. Literally, it will be a hot mess if you add too much gel. So just put enough to cover the nail plate and you'll be fine. Once you do that, you're going to hold the dual form in place while you put the lamp over it, and you're going to flash cure it for about 10 seconds. Once you flash cure for 10 seconds, it's pretty much set, so you can remove your thumb or your finger from holding the dual form and then just let it cure for a full 60 seconds by itself. Once you do that, honey, you are done. At that point, you just pop that dual form off and the nail is completely built. Look how shiny that is. There is no tacky inhibition layer. It is shining. It is like super soft and smooth on the top. That was perfect. Like, it just, oh my goodness. Okay, so I went ahead and did all the other nails off camera just to save time, and this is what they all look like when I was done. Now obviously I have to shape them. Like, the shape is hideous. The shape is disgusting. Whenever you use dual forms, this is what it looks like when you're done. So you just have to grab a hand file and touch up the nails, and pretty much that is it. You do not need a drill. You do not need a drill. I shaped these nails with my hand file, guys, and it came out nice. Like, oh my god, I didn't even put a top coat. So when you use the dual forms, it makes everything shiny, and working with the Pottle and this was like a seamless system, guys. I'm going to try to use this same little Pottle again, maybe building a nail on a tip, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make your own glitter and then build a nail from scratch, guys. Like, this was so mind blown. My mind is blown. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Oh my gosh, I can't even deal. That was so easy. Did you guys, like, for real, guys, did you see how quick and easy I built that nail with this builder in a bottle? I made my own glitter builder in a bottle, and then I built a nail from scratch. Did you see that? Rewind this video and watch it again. I don't think you caught it. Nail crew. Watch it again. You gotta watch it again. I'm sorry.